Okay children, after completing thick and thin exercise, all of you open page number 72. That is our next exercise E, more and few. More and few. So let us take one example. Suppose you have 10 chocolates with you and your friend has 5 chocolates. If I am asking one question, who have more chocolates, means what you have to tell? Ma'am, with me only more chocolates are there. That means your friend have less than with your chocolates. So that less we called it here as few, and highest amount of things are called more. So here they are giving some examples. You have to do that one. So first Roman, circle the group that has fewer cars and French fries. So they given two sets of pictures there. First you have to see here, two sets of pictures are there. First you have to circle which one has fewer cards or French fries. See here, first you have to count first group of cards, that is 1, 2, 3, 4. So first set has 4 cards and the next set. Now count next set. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So here we got 6 cards. Fewer means less amount of things that you have to circle here. So here we have 4 cards and here we have 6 cards. So fewer means least one, that is 4 cards. So that you have to round circle. And then next one, here 2 French fries are there. Here which one has less, that means fewer, you have to circle this one. So next, second Roman, circle the necklace that has more beads in each set. So they are giving some types of necklaces here. Beads is nothing but these circles. So here which has highest, that means more, you have to color it. Only which have more beads, that only you have to color, not both necklaces you don't color. See here, in first bit we have 2 different types of necklaces are there. In these 2 necklaces which have more beads, beads are nothing but these circles. Here we are seeing more. So that means you have to color this necklace. Go for another one. Here we are seeing 2 different types of necklaces that are with flowers. So just you have to count which which necklace has more flowers. So first count which how many flowers are there in first necklace. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So first necklace has 6 and the next one 1, 2, 3, 4. This necklace has only 4 flowers. So here what they are asking question, more means highest number. So you have to color this necklace. So another one, third bit, draw some fishes in both bowls and then color the bowl that has fewer fishes. Fewer means less fishes. So here they are giving 2 bowls. Here you have to draw some fishes, like one bowl has 5 fishes and second bowl 2 or 3 you have to draw. In these 2 bowls which have less means fewer fishes, that you have to color the bowl. This is an activity you have to do in your home. So from this we completed our E exercise. Next, all of you open page number 73. So for our next exercise, page number 73, that is last one, F. Heavy and light. This exercise also based on the weight only. Heavy and light. Suppose you take one apple and one grape. So hold it with your hands and see which fruit has weight. So absolutely apple has more weight than grape. So having more weight is called heavy, having less weight is called lightweight. So here having more weight is called heavy, having less weight is called lightweight. So here they given some activities here. First one, color the heavier one in each set. So here you have to color the picture. They given two different types of pictures here. So color the heavier. Heavier means more weight. Here we are seeing two different types of fruits. One is apple and another one is jackfruit. So in these two, which one is heavier? Jackfruit. So you have to color the jackfruit. And in next picture we have two different types of animals. So one is peacock and another one is cow. So here which one is heavy one? So cow is heavy one. So you have to color the cow. Next bit, second bit. Color the lightest object in each set. This also you have to color. Lightest one means small weight, lightest weight. Here they given three pictures. One is book and another one is chocolate and another one is leaf. So lightest thing is leaf. So you have to color the leaf. Next, here they giving three types of pictures. One is mug and another one is bucket and another one is bathing tub. In these three pictures, which one is the lightest one? Mug. So you have to color the mug. Going to third bit, write numbers 1, 2, 3, 4 in order from the lightest to heaviest. Lightest means small weight to heaviest weight. Here they are giving four pictures. One is monkey and another one is peacock feather and next book and next car. They are asking to write from lightest. Lightest means small weight thing. First you have to give the number and next weight up to highest you have to write. So in these four pictures, which one is the lightest one? So first, that is peacock feather. In that box you have to write 1. After finishing peacock feather, now choose that 3 pictures. Next, in 3 pictures, which one is the lightest one? Book. So in book box you have to write 2. Next, in monkey and car, monkey is the lightest one. So 3 and last one is 4. In the next one they given some different types of tables and chair and bed. In this also you have to first find out which one is the lightest one. That is chair, you have to write 1 here. And next, in these 2 tables, which one is lightest? First one. So you have to write 2 here. And next, in bed and another table is the lightest one. So 3 and 4. So this is our last topic, that is heavy and light. Now all of you turn your page number 74. Here we have some activity. You have to do this activity at home with the help of your parents. Thank you. From this we completed our first chapter. Thank you.